Hi there, my name is Sid. I'm a digital marketer with Dynamics Q, and I'm going to be going over some key features of your Dynamics 365 instance. In this session, we're going to talk about how to create, work, and resolve cases using Microsoft Dynamics 365. Cases are a service-related entity, so the first thing we're going to do is navigate over to the Services module. Now, let's say I'm getting a call from Brian Lamy, and Brian is telling me that his order arrived but is missing some components. So that means we need to open up a new case. We go over here. Now, missing components isn't a big issue, so we can probably resolve this in a matter of a few quick phone calls. So I'm going to enter in the case details, missing parts. This is just to describe what the situation is, and it'll automatically create a case with its own number generated into it. If we navigate back up here and click the cases entity, we can actually see our case right here, and we can go into it and work on it a little more, add more details. We can describe how the case came in this case a phone call. We can, it's already associated to the customer, Brian Lamy. We can talk about which product that he's talking about, and over here we can add activities. Now, to resolve this is pretty simple. Let's say I talked to our shipping department about these missing components, and they said that they sent them out via FedEx and it should be arriving shortly. So I can go over here to notes and add spoke with shipping parts sent today. I can click done. I can put attachments and stuff like that too. So now to work the case a little more, to reach its final goal, let's say Brian calls me the next morning to tell me that he received his parts, acknowledging that the case is in fact resolved. So I would go into the case and add another note, or an activity in this case, phone call with Brian, received shipment. And then go ahead, click OK. So the activity is logged, and then I go up here and click resolve case. Resolution type, problem solved. Here I can add my own my own thoughts on how I resolved it. In this case, spoke with shipping. The total time it took, the billable time, and any other personal remarks I have, and then I click resolve. And there we go. The case is resolved. We can say that now. So at this point, no new activities or notes can be associated with this case. In order to make any changes, we would need to go back up and reactivate the case.